Our sages teach us in Kabbalah and Chassidut that the right hand represents the level of emanation, the level of giving, the level of revelation, while the left hand represents rejection, concealment, rigor. We have to be able to use these two powers for the service of God. Are there things in your life that you feel you just can't do? Use your right hand, your right mind, your positive mind to be able to be victorious and to actually break through. Are there things that you feel that you need to refrain from doing, that you just fall in all the time? Use your left side in order to be able to push it away. When we do Netilat Yadayim in the morning, we use our right hand, we give it to our left hand, and we wash. Each hand washes the other. That exercise is an exercise in finding the right balance in our emotions, where to go forwards and what to reject.